pumunta sa menu Setup o Settings at hanapin at pindutin ang Scan at hintayin. Then, boom! Balik na si GNN sa Channel 48 mo para sa mga balitang nangunguna at napapanahon
At sa mga programang suwak sa panlasa mo.
tutok lang sa GNN TV 48 Naga,
Bida ang Bikolano!
Every great success story starts with the right foundation, and at NAGA College Foundation, we've been building those stories for years. Here, we don't just teach, we empower. We don't just educate, we inspire. This is where your winning journey begins.
Whether you're a dreamer, a doer, or a visionary, NCF is the place that prepares you to achieve greatness. It's not just about the future, it's about today, taking the steps that make you a winner in every sense, with an affordable tuition, quality education, and excellence in 22 sports programs, which NCF only has in a whole Bicol region.
At NCF, we've built a system that's designed for one thing, your success.
So bago papunta. Si arong bagay ni Ricky, hayop na yan. Ni Tagalog, arong bagay ni Ricky.
Sa investigasyon kan BFP Magarao, sinulong Cotton